Hi, my name is Teresa Kaiser, and today's training is how to add your Google Analytics to your Kalatu blogging platform from Empower Network. So you're going to go in where it says Google Analytics at the left here, and you're going to hit, you can find your Google Analytics dashboard here, so you're going to click that. You'll go in, and if you don't have an account, you want to create one, and search for Google Analytics, and you'll need to be signed into your Gmail or your Google account, your Google account, and it'll actually look like this. So then you want to create a new account. All right, so I already have an account. I have a couple of in here, but where it says account, there'll be a drop down, and you're going to say create new account, and you want to track a website. Account name required. Okay. And then your website name. And you're going to want to put in here www, because we just did the new domain mapping today. So and then your industry category. Now when you're choosing this, I would recommend that you just kind of look at this a little bit. Now, like for myself, I teach new people how to, do things, tech stuff, things like that. And your category, it is kind of important and not. This blog is pretty much about me. Okay, so I'm going to say, believe it or not, probably computers and electronics, or maybe, if you're into personal development, you might want to say people in society. I'm just going to say other, because I blog about several different things. Now your time zone, okay, so wherever you're at, you want to choose your time zone. So I'm in the United States. I'm not in Pacific time. I'm actually in Central time, so I want this to show real time for me. Your data sharing settings, you can go ahead and leave these checked if you want, in case you have a technical issue or something like that. You can have up to 100 accounts, and I'm only using one. And then you're just going to hit Get Tracking ID. And what happens is it pops up. You're in the United States. If you're in another country or you want to choose that. Go through, and you're supposed to read these, okay? So do read them. Don't take my advice, just read them. And that's it. Now, you're going to get a tracking code. Alright, and when you get this tracking code, it's right here. So you're going to take this tracking code, you're going to copy it, and you're going to go back to your thing here, Google Analytics, and just stick it in there. And then hit Save Changes, and you're done. Okay? Pretty simple. And then you'll be able to go in and view your statistics. Now my Kalatu blog is very new at the time of this recording, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at that now, just to see what it looks like for a peek. So when you get into your Google Analytics account, you'll see your home page here, like this. And then you'll see your domain name and all of that. And you can see how long someone's been on the site. Now understand this is a pretty high bounce rate, and that's just because I procrastinated a couple of days and waited to map my domain name. And some of this domain I was using for something else before today. So Just going to hit on all website data. And this will tell you, you know, from today, hourly, day, week, month. So here's like a month, here's hourly, you know, the spikes that your site is getting, how many visits, and understand this is very new websites, so, you know, nothing spectacular is going to be happening here yet. I'm working on it. But just so you understand, there's all sorts of things here. If you go to the Google Analytics site, if you really want to know, you know, what's working, what's not working, right down to, you know, the posts that they've been looking at, like your content, you know, all pages, landing pages. So a landing page would be like what page they entered on, what page they came in on, and so forth. So there's just all kinds of information here, and basically that's what mapping your, you know, putting your Google Analytics on the backside of your website is about. So my name is Teresa Kaiser with tknetmarketing.com, and you have yourself a great day.